Yes, so actually I'm cutting up some coconut with a plan. You know, I'm not feeding fowls, so you see that I'm making coconut cake or drops, whatever you call it, right? I'm making coconut drops, so that's the coconut boiling in water, and I'm gonna add sugar. Normally we measure these, but for time's sake, or I think I know it, and then salt. Likewise, I have ginger boiling in that too. But now I'm going to add nutmeg to it as well, like a teaspoon or so. Alright, and cinnamon as well. The drops are about ready.
Yep, we're gonna make about 6 to 8 of them.
Alright, let me see. This is our first coconut drop. We make them tiny, then we might get 8. That's the second one. And our third one. Fourth. There's a blob of ginger in there, but I can remove it. See them here now, then finish me. I tell you, them taste good, then just little too hot. But when they cool, me and my kids are going to eat them. Thank you for watching.